हेलो एवरीवन। सो टुडे इज़ 1st of September एंड चलिए चलते हैं, बात कर लेते हैं कि हम लोग कल क्या एनालिसिस किए थे. सो व्हाट वी डिस्कस येस्टरडे एंड व्हाट हैपेंड टुडे एंड व्हाट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग नेक्स्ट. सो talking about yesterday's analysis, I clearly said that PropDex bullish tha. Okay, so what did PropDex do? It was one of the highest change in open interest in futures long positions. Okay, so PropDex पूरी तरह से मतलब bullish position लेके बैठा था, and not only that, like even before the market was closing, I even mentioned that on 15 minutes chart we have RSI divergence. It was bullish divergence, and not only like Nifty or BankNifty, both we had. Okay, so both were gaining strength, and now today you saw the result. Okay, so many people thought that here we are going to break 19,258 finally, but you see it did not happen. Okay, so if like one thing here you should learn, that if everyone is on the same side, it doesn't happen. Okay, so now talking about the rest of the levels and everything. So here again Nifty took support in the morning at 19,258. These levels were clearly discussed, and then 19,302, which like tried to break, and then there was some consolidation, and finally here it broke and went to 19,439, which is the next level, as we have several times discussed about this. Okay, so 19,439 or 19,472. Okay, and for Bank Nifty also it worked perfectly fine. ये जो 44,520 जो जहाँ पे मतलब Bank Nifty got the last resistance, this level was also discussed. I mean, just go and check this week's tweets or even videos also. Okay, I have discussed this level several times. That is 43,940. When it takes support, then the next level gets activated, 44,288. It even crossed there as well, and then we went to 44,520. Okay, so that was the whole scenario, and yeah. So now let's come to the indicator. So indicator, if you see here that the score was very well increasing, and here also like 1235, you see again a sharp jump in the score. Okay, so even if you go into Bank Nifty, so here also you'll see that during the same time Bank Nifty score also jumped. Okay, so 1230, at around 1230, if you notice, where was Nifty and Bank Nifty? So it was here. Fine, 12. So this region it was consolidating, but money flow sharply increased. Okay, same for Bank Nifty as well. So let's come here. 11, then 11 here, 1135 to 1140. So during this region again Bank Nifty's money flow increased. Okay, and then you know what happened. So we here we took long position. So 19,400 CE, I bought it at 63, and even like I was having positional call buying position at 19,400. Those who follow me on Twitter very well knows. Then I closed, I was having a huge position. So yeah, so as soon as price went to 83, I was having a very nice profit, so I just closed it. And yeah, and also I did put writing at 19,400. Okay, at 110 in the morning today, and yeah, finally like I closed it here, that is closed it around 1335. Okay, so when Nifty was at around here, that is 13 I think 13, yeah, 1335. So if you look at here, so yeah, so during this region I closed. Okay, so I got to eat 31 points premium, and that was enough for me. Okay, and then I also mentioned that today it's not a good idea to short the market. Why? Because we saw that the big guys were making long positions. Okay, so the big guys were they bought calls at around this level. Also they bought calls in the morning as well. So their average price, suppose, yeah, let's talk about one of the strike price where the big guys have bought. तो उन लोग ने 19,300. Okay, even at 19,400 they have bought. So suppose 19,400, इधर इन लोग ने at around 60 to 65 rupees में buy किया था morning में, ठीक है. So I also bought it along with them at 63, and yeah, and then you know the price like all doubled, almost doubled, yeah. So anyways, the major thing is that analysis worked perfectly fine, and if you if you want such analysis in the future, and if you think that my analysis are helping you, so please don't forget to put a like, and please do share it among the other traders, so that it can be beneficial for them as well. Okay, I tried to warn a lot yesterday that this is not the correct trend or the correct time to go try to short, okay, because yesterday it was a clear-cut signal that huge amount of positions were made by the products in futures long, so not a good idea that we should go long. Now people can argue that वो तो futures में position बनाए थे तो नीचे जाके फिर ऊपर जा सकते थे, लेकिन if this position breaks, then like the down move is will be very sharp, and so the next major level, so if you see, if this level breaks, then the major level is at, this is 19,140 is not the major level, I said this, 18,950 is the major level, so almost 19,000, okay. So that, I mean, they would be had a huge loss with those huge positions, so that's why like today itself the deciding factor was there, that whether Nifty is going to take support at 19,258 or not, and that was clear cut visible yesterday from the RSI divergence, bullish divergence, as well as the Propdex data. Okay, so yeah, if you benefited from my analysis, yeah, again please don't forget to put a like. Anyways, so coming to the other data points today, FIs have bought, but this buying, don't consider it as buying. Anyways, like advance to decline ratios are almost flat, and here we have talked about the charts, and now let's go to the analysis. Okay, so yeah, I'm trying to finish up this in 10 minutes, under 10 minutes, so that like many people said that I should decrease the time. So इधर चलते हैं end of the day data में. So FIs ने क्या किया, put writing. So they have made put writing. We clearly like analyzed that during the intraday as well. So those who follow me knows that I track the big guys during the intraday, and then I match my analysis with the help of the EOD data. So it's not like the other you see the other analysts or the other YouTubers with millions of followers, they don't track, they come and see what the EOD data is saying. Okay, so I track them and match it with the EOD data, so for the further confirmation. And I've shown you this several times, even in the past also, like what how I track them, or whatever I tracked, it completely matches with the end of the day data. Like last week I have shown you with proof and everything. So like yeah, so now let's come to the rest of the things. That is here, that heavy amount of put writing has been done by the FIIs as well as the Propdex. And talking about call writing, minimal amount. So this amount of call buying, again you can say that this is done for the hedging purpose, but no, as I said that हम लोग क्या करते हैं, 10 lots के लिए 10 lots short, 10 for hedging, 10 lots buy, right? But Propdex 10 lots short, so for hedging 5 to 6 lots buy. So that's the thing. So from my experience, from my observation, according to that data, I can very well say that like even the FIs have bought calls, and it's purely visible that the Propdex, they have bought calls. But there is something interesting to note here, that is futures long. So the heavy futures long positions that Propdex built, they closed it yesterday. And also there is something to note, that is all these up move came. Okay, the FIs, they have done futures put writing, huge amount of put writing, but no futures long. That is surprising to see. Okay, no futures long. So the question arises that are we again going to come back? Okay, so coming to the other data points, that is they have also closed some of their futures short positions. So all futures activity almost nil, if you can say, for the FIs. Propdex activity is there, but no fresh positions. Even the previous huge positions that they made, they closed it today. Okay, so this indicates that again we might reverse. So the up move might not continue, but For the option chain is bullish, futures is neutral. All we can say is that, because you can't say that like they have closed their futures long position doesn't mean that market is going to come down sharply. Okay, so if they want to take the market down, they have to again create short positions, and we have to wait for that. But currently, like, they have just booked their profits, and now futures is neutral. अभी तक वही हम लोग clearly बता सकते हैं. And coming to option chain, yes, call buying हुआ है, or put writing, heavy amount of put writing has been done both by FIs and prop decks, and so option chain is bullish, futures is neutral. Okay, so coming to the other data points. So now the levels, if even this 44,520 breaks, then we will be heading towards 44,776. Okay, and here Nifty, if it breaks 19,439, then we are heading towards 19,472, and even if that breaks, then we are heading towards 19,558. So I have discussed all the levels, and yeah, I have shared all my analysis again. And yeah, if you want such live market updates, so you can follow me on Twitter, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for daily live analysis. And I hope you're enjoying my analysis. Thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. Enjoy your weekend, guys, and that's it. And if you want live analysis like this, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator family. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye.